me go back to Amberlynn, and I'm going to ask you how to pronounce your last name so I can say it better.
Devosligil.
Devosligil.
Yeah.
Devosligil. No, thank you. Devosligil. All right, and then I've got Teresa Badillo now. If you'd unmute and start your camera. And we're taking up Kate and Ms. Badillo. That's just I can't even see.
My camera's broken. I apologize. My daughter broke my camera.
So I need you to. I can't do this hearing if your camera's broken.
Well, I apologize.
Do you have another? Do you have another option?
I don't. My camera's completely broken. My daughter dropped my phone a couple days ago on the cement.
Well, I can't do the hearing without being able to see you and read your face and understand what you're saying. And all I see is a silhouette in a green screen for some reason. So we're going to talk about that. Now, first off, I'm going to put you both under oath because there's some information I need to get right now. So Ms. Devosligil, if you could raise your right hand with me, do you swear or affirm the information you give the court is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. And Ms. Badillo, raise your right hand with me. See a silhouette there. So do you swear or affirm to the court that the information you'll give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Actually, when you're closer like that, you have to come in closer. There you go. You'd have to stay at least that close, and I can see your face now.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So, let me look at some of that.
Isabella, please go get a pair of pants.
So are you being, I can't have you taking care of kids and
well, I don't have a babysitter, so I'm sorry.
You're not available for court today is what you're telling me.
I don't have a babysitter. No.
Right?
Okay. I can't just magically get a babysitter for my 2-year-old. Hey, Ron, can you watch your granddaughter? Can you watch your granddaughter for like 10 minutes, please? Can't have her in the background.
Where are you going?
I can't have her in the background.
Stay out here with grandpa and great grandpa.
Okay. She's out of the room.
Okay. So they were all here on 2/18. That's how we did it. Okay, I see. All right. So Ms. Bia, you were here back on February 18th, and I need you to get closer, Ms. Badia.
My camera is really close to my face. Like I can't even barely see you.
So you were served notice of this hearing on the 18th when you appeared by Zoom, and Ms. Devosligil appeared by Zoom, and Judge Buckley set this over. So that's notice of the hearing, and I'm glad both are here. But Ms. Badillo, you're going to have to come into court and be available in person in order to do this hearing. This order will remain in effect until the next hearing that we have. But unless you can get a good Zoom connection that you can be seen and heard and everyone can see and hear you, otherwise you're in court. So I'm just going to make that order that you come to court. And then you'll have to make arrangements for, I need you to be able to pay attention to this. This is important and it affects you. So you need to be present if you're objecting to the court issuing this order. I guess that's the question. First off, no. I presume, Ms. Badillo, that you object to this order being issued?
I do, Your Honor. And also, she was supposed to service me with what was being in this, and I still have not got that service. The judge told me the last time.
The court has found that you were served notice and you were here on the 18th. So now your next step is we're going to set another court date and you'll be in court. All of the information is available to both parties in the court file. And let's see, we got 8 already, but we're not going to be sending any more this week to next week.
No.
Okay. Let's set next week, the 10th.
I'll be out of town until April. I'm leaving this coming Friday. I'm leaving out of state. So I will not be in town nor state. I
Can
will
you
be
appear
back
by
for one
Zoom on a
weekend.
Zoom connection from out of state?
Yeah, I could probably use my partner's phone actually. Or no,
right.
it won't be. I'll figure it out.
Well, you could appear by Zoom if you're out of state, but not on this phone, obviously. Do you think that's a reality? We could set
My
a
phone is
hearing.
actually getting fixed today. I have to take it into the Apple store to go get a new screen today.
All right. So what about next Monday,
That's
the
fine.
10th? All right. And Ms. DeVoslegil?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to set next Monday, 9 o'clock. Each of you have the ability to go to the court file or to contact the court about all the information that's in the court file and that's being proffered by each side, whoever's filed what. I would suggest both of you before the 10th go look there. And we'll be back at 9 o'clock to take this up then. And Ms. Badillo, get a good Zoom connection or be here in person, one way or the other. All right. Ms. Badillo?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll see everybody on the 10th at 9 a.m. And that's it for today. The order stays in effect.
Isabella. Thank you. Alrighty then. They had to continue it because I can't. My camera's broken. The front of it's broken.
Ms.
Yeah.
Badillo, would you mute your microphone, please, and you can leave the meeting.